29 forecast.
Well, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is another risk for severe weather. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Just like what we saw last Friday, unfortunately, the same areas from Arkansas into Illinois and into sections of Iowa will be at the risk for more tornadoes, especially going into tonight. We'll see how that impacts our weather as we head into the end of the week. Until then, we have a warm southwest wind out ahead of that system, giving us a boost in temperature with highs in the low, if not mid 80s, about 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. Outside live in Earlysville, nearby Hollymead at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport, not a cloud to be found in the sky at this vantage point. Now, the sun angle this time of the year is just as strong as it is at the end of August, so you can get a nasty sunburn this time of the year. So put on that sunscreen on days like this for sure. It's in the mid 70s. The wind is near calm, but that south wind will kick in throughout the day tonight and into especially tomorrow. Right now it's pushing 70 at Harrisonburg and Stanton over into Waynesboro, and we're in the mid 70s in Orange and also into areas of Lake Monticello. NBC 29's live Doppler radar network is high and dry across our area, watching the clashing of the two seasons. It is winter with a blizzard over the northern plains states, and it is almost summer-like across the southern plains and into the Gulf Coast. So the stage is set when these two air masses are going to converge. They're going to produce a severe weather outbreak going into tonight from Iowa into the Missouri Valley on down into the Ozarks, and that will produce perhaps a risk for tornadoes all the way up into the Great Lakes area heading into tomorrow. But for our area, we are quiet going into tonight and also for Wednesday with a southwest wind, a few more clouds tomorrow. But here's Thursday morning. It's quiet around here with increasing clouds and a little bit more humid. And then by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, we may see a broken line of thunderstorms approach the region. And any of those storms later Thursday into early on Thursday evening could pack a punch with localized damaging winds. But for right now, our risk for severe weather is on the low end. This is Thursday afternoon for most of you, but any storm that gets going could pose a localized damaging wind risk. Your forecast for the rest of today in the upper 70s, low 80s with warm sunshine and a light south wind. Overnight, moonlit skies, lows of 55 to 60 degrees with those light southwesterly winds. Now, it will be on the breezier side tomorrow with highs back in the low and mid 80s, a few more clouds with that southwesterly wind. Those winds could gust up to 30 miles per hour. 7-day forecast on a Thursday. It's a quiet first half of the day, but we'll watch that western sky later in the afternoon and evening from west to east. There could be a brief shower or a gusty thunderstorm. And then on Friday and for Easter weekend, it will turn cooler. Mid 60s on Friday, upper 50s near 60 on Saturday, lows near 40 on Easter morning. Easter Sunday, high seasonable in the 70s, and it looks to be on the dry side, Jared.